In this video I'm going to show you how you can install iOS 18 on your iPhone. So first of all, make sure you have connected to the Wi-Fi network or mobile network. Go to settings, scroll down the settings page, tap on general. Under general, tap on software update. This will start checking for any updates available for your device. So over here there are two options showing. So there is an update for iOS 17. So if you wish, you can update to iOS 17.7, and if you wish to upgrade to iOS 18, then below under also available there will be option update to iOS 18. Tap on it. Over here you will be able to see iOS 18 details. The update file of iOS 18 will be around 3.8 GB. To begin updating your iPhone to iOS 18, tap on the update now. You will need to enter your passcode over here to proceed with the update. So once entering the passcode, it will present terms and condition. You will need to refer to it and tap on the agree button. So once again press on the agree button over here, and this will start downloading the iOS 18, or this could take several minutes depending upon your internet network connection speed. So once the update is downloaded, you can install it and your phone will restart, and then you will be able to enjoy iOS 18 on your iPhone. So this is how you can easily update your iPhone to iOS 18